So, we are going to have a little bit of discussion. If you just go through one of the videos in the Twitch, some topics has been covered and has also been mentioned, saying that topic related to the CAD design or maybe related to the part of E and C is going to be covered anyway based on the scenario and the things. It is possible to cover lot of topics related to the uh, part of the uh, part of a E and C. Hmm? So the point goes, um, one of the topic has been mentioned, that is the feasibility, that is the feasibility of charging a mobile in just a matter of period. One minute, of a process wherein it is feasible to charge a mobile. The concept has already been mentioned, that is it feasible to charge a mobile in just a matter of period? That is the feasibility with which you can charge your mobile in a far better way. With the existing sort of charging process, you have mobile charger, though some of the topics have been covered in one of the videos. That is you have your existing charger, that is what you call it as a quick charging, which is somewhere around 5 volt, 3.4 ampere, 3.6 ampere, which turns out to be somewhere very close to the part of 16 watt, around very close to 16 watt. That is, to charge a mobile by a factor of around 16%, it takes half an hour for a person. To charge a mobile by a factor of somewhere around 60%. Now the point goes, is it feasible to charge the mobile in a far better process? Yes, it is feasible. Based on the sources, it is feasible to charge the mobile in a far better process. So here only initially verbal words are going to be provided. At what case is it feasible? That is, you can get your mobile charged, mobile in the sense any of the existing mobile, that's a smartphone, by a factor of 60%, that is somewhere around 3.6 k ohm, 3.6 k milliampere hour, that is a 3600 mAh. That is now the point is it feasible? Is it feasible to get your mobile charged in a far better process? Yes, it is feasible for to get the mobile charged in a far better process. For that, what is the process? Process is you can get your mobile charged. First, just some few of the words. You can get your mobile charged in a matter of somewhere only around 5 seconds. The whole of your mobile charged can be charged in a matter of only around 5 seconds, based on the sources. So how is that feasible? Yes, that is feasible. That is, you have some simple designs here. If you can just go through. you can just go through. So the point goes pretty clear, saying that if you place, that is, if you can, in few of the words, if you can place the batteries in parallel and their wires or their setup in series, and again the charger in parallel, then it is feasible to get your mobile charged in just a matter of minute. I hope we are going to get it done. That is the feasibility wherein you can get your charged. Now, if you can get one of your mobile charged, that's only as far as the battery is to be noted. Then if you place one more battery above, with which you can charge one more battery by a factor of say somewhere around 60%, then the stacking, where you can get it charged in a matter of minute. In the matter of, you'll use the right words, that is a matter of period, and you can get the whole 4 to 5 layer of the battery charged in just a matter of period. And it holds true for other cases. See, in just few words, there are nearly a lot of designs, out of which one of the design turns out to be with the use of any of the charger, with the use of any of the charger, with the use of the charger, and what there is something here, but anyway, not an issue. So the point is, if you can you can get your mobile charged. That is, if the input turns out to be around 230 volt in the place right now, whichever the place is, in just few words, whichever the place is, we have an input volt somewhere around 230 volt and around 5 ampere and 50 hertz. With any of the existing charger, you have somewhere around 5 volt and some ampere, that's enough to charge your mobile. Now, is it feasible to get your mobile charged at a far better rate? Yes. For that, there are, as it has been mentioned, there are plenty of designs, out of which design 1, design 2 and design 3, many parts are there. One of the process is by setting up the mobile charger. The other process is the use of a wire. There is some sort of a based on sources, there is some sort of a design with which if you use some sort of wire, that itself is enough to charge your mobile in just a matter of minute. Another part is the use of a type of battery. The battery can be, if you just go through the existing battery, is a lithium ion battery. So part is, either with any of the process, it's feasible to get your mobile charged at a far better rate. Now, one of the process that can be used is the stacking of the batteries one above the other. So if we just check here, so if we just check here, it says, you can just check there. I hope it's clear. So here, if the input voltage turns out to be around 230 volt 5 ampere, you can charge one battery or one mobile. Now, if you just know the battery, the size of a battery and size of the mobile, you can find out how much battery, only the part of battery, the wording says only the batteries are going to be stacked one above the other, and they are going to be charged in parallel. Hmm? They are going to be charged parallelly. That itself is enough to get your mobile charged in just a matter of period. So here the proof for this is, here is the proof. One of the design has been made with the note that the app is pretty good. Here if you just check, so here the design goes something like this. That is, uh, you have an input volt turns out to be somewhere around 230 volt, and the ampere turns out to be somewhere around 5 ampere. If you just check what would be the uh, 32 46, that itself will give you very close to 5 ampere, very close to something like a 5 ampere. So now the point is, what is the type of the circuit that has been used? The circuit that has been used is in case if there is a person, he can get the one of the battery. Here is it the battery? It's a capacitor. Capacitor is also a place where you can store charges, so it is also very close to what you call it as battery. So you can just check the circuit here: 1 battery, 2 battery, 3, 4, 6, and if you put them in what you call it as parallel, and it's feasible to charge the all of these batteries in just a one single process. It is feasible to charge your battery. So point is, for charging one battery, it will take for 10% of the battery to be charged, it may take somewhere around 5 minutes. This also it will take 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So point is, if you set up in the parallel, it is possible to charge nearly 8 batteries in a matter of only around 5 minutes. So and the process is going well. It's a process to make sure it is going well. Now if you take that input, the input current off, then the point is, yes, it's working. This is a sort of a battery. This you can take it as a, though it's LED, this is a you can take it something very close to the part of what you call it as screen. You mentioned it as a part of a screen. So with this process, so the point goes, see, you can go in details. You can go in details. What's the point? Point is pretty clear, saying that it is possible to get your mobile charged in a matter of period. Matter of period can be somewhere very close to only 2 seconds. Only 2 seconds. You just take some mobile, charged. Take a mobile, charged. Yes, based on sources, it does happen. That much quick. The thing that has been shown right now is with the existing items, with the existing materials. What you can prove it, that is with existing materials, if that has to be proved, because if you have to prove it, then you need items. Right now with the existing items, as the thing the words has been noted saying that with the existing items and with the existing we have one app. It's possible and it's feasible to show up to some level, uh, to make sure okay it's going to go by. That is, if some certain thing needs to be charged, that is a mobile can be charged in a matter of only around a matter of minute. And for that, the batteries, if they are placed side by side and if they are charged in parallel, once they are charged in parallel, then you set up the contacts or any of the things in series. That itself is enough to get your mobile, can run your mobile, and you can use your mobile. The point is pretty clear, saying that you can get your mobile charged in just a matter of minute. And this holds true for any other case based on the sources. It's possible to charge any of your house battery also, and in case if you have what you call it as electric car or any of the things, it is based on the sources, it is feasible to charge your electric car in a matter of a period in the sense, maybe around just 2 seconds or maybe around just 3 seconds, maybe around 2 seconds or 3 seconds. That itself is enough to charge your battery. So that's about the one of the things. It is possible to go in details. It holds true for any other case as well. There are plenty of other designs are also there. That is, in case if you use a charger wherein the input itself is around 230 volt, then there's one more process. Then we have a wire process. If you use a wire of some material, some other material, whatever the material, which you can discuss after some afterwards, that itself is enough to get your mobile charged in a matter of minute. Or if you use right now, if you just check the things that has come, is initially there was a lead acid battery, then it has been shifted to Li battery. Now it has also been shifted to lithium polymer battery, some sort of a battery. So there are plenty of types of batteries are there with which you can get it done. So what is the point? Point is pretty clear, saying that there are plenty of designs are there which you can discuss right now, which you can discuss. The point is some topics have already been covered in the Twitch, have already been covered. So what all you discuss right now is just a view, saying that the design design that has been shown is shown in the sense the what you show the design when the design was made, and the design was made in the sense was made just now by the way, but the many of the topics, it will either be covered in the Twitch or it will be covered here, and I hope the audio is going to be pretty clear. And it holds true for other case also. There are plenty of designs which you can discuss. You are going to make one more video. In this video a little bit some abrupt in the sense a little bit is there, which you can again you're going to make one more video wherein you're going to discuss the car charging, electric car charging. As you mentioned, the process is very close, very similar, with which you can charge your electric car also in just a matter of 5 seconds. You can charge your electric car based on the sources you can charge it. And it holds true for any other case as well. There are plenty of high-end designs. Is it feasible to feasibility right now? You have mobile charging, which is a wired charging. Now there's one more charging that they call it as a wireless charging. There's one more thing that they call it as a wireless charging. Now that wireless charging can be made, that is also called as magnetic charging. I hope they call it magnetic charging. You can go in details. The video is getting pretty big, so whatever it is, we're going to make one more video and put some more reports. But point is, the existing wireless charging, I hope it's a magnetic based. So what in the sense, usually when you keep your mobile very close to some place, maybe around 2 meter or 3 meter, it's feasible to charge your mobile. Now the point is, the feasibility wherein you can charge your mobile more than 2 meter, maybe around 20 meter, or maybe 60 meter, or maybe half km, or maybe more than 2 km or 5 km. Is it feasible? Based on the sources, it is feasible. Based on the sources, it is feasible to charge your mobile from anywhere at any PD, though at any period, based on the sources. Now that topic is also going to be discussed in one of the upcoming videos, and there is a 3D screen and so many other things are there. The point is, some topics we are going to discuss here are newer topics and are very high-end topics which you are going to discuss in one of the upcoming videos. The video turns out to be pretty huge, so we are going to discuss a little bit more in one of the upcoming videos. So